Hi, this is Bryan Clements with Keller Williams. I'm here with Teresa Brockwell from Farmers Insurance, and we're going to talk about roof insurance today and what you should be looking for a roof when you're looking to buy a house. So, Teresa, can you explain the differences between some of the roof coverage and things like that?
Sure. Hello, Brian.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, I would love to. So, as your clients are looking at buying a house, one of the most important things that I know that you look at is the roof. And so there's different types of coverage that you can get. And one is the actual cash value, which is ACV roof. And then the other is a replacement cost roof. And so the differences in those two are that at the claim time, the replacement cost is going to pay for the roof, what it costs to replace it, minus the deductible. On the ACV, it's going to basically take depreciation out of it. It's kind of like a car. So ACV is what that stands is actual cash value.
Okay.
And so on the replacement cost, let's say that like the average roof right now, just the average, let's just say it's $10,000. So on replacement costs, your clients are going to get, if the deductible is $2,500, then Farmers is going to pay the rest. So that is what, $7,500 probably. I should be able to do that in my head.
I believe
So
so.
I'm going to get 7,500.
Yeah.
Now on the ACV, most of the time depreciation is taken at about 50%. So if the roof is $10,000, the depreciation is $5,000, their deductible is $2,500, then that leaves them with $2,500. And so what you want to ask your clients and what the insurance agent wants to ask them is, at the time of claim, do you want $2,500 or do you want the $7,500?
Okay.
And most people and most realtors like you in your position want their clients to have the full replacement. Now there's some times where people just they rather save a couple $100 and they rather just have the ACV, and that's not a problem. And an agent can do that. Where we run into issues, and that I've seen over the last 22 years in business, is when they don't know that they have it. They think they have full replacement and they're expecting this nice check, and instead
Right.
they get a little slippy one for $2,500 rather than $75. And I don't know how many people I've had come to me for quotes because they're like, my agent never told me. So we're pretty thorough in our office, and we try not to bore people like I'm trying not to bore you today. But we go over everything with them so that they know the differences. And so when your clients are getting quotes, it's important that they ask, because kind of like you and I've talked about in the past, our quote might be 10% more, not a lot, 5-10% more, but we probably have replacement cost on there. We probably have limited matching. We probably have some endorsements that I feel that are really important that the clients have. And the other policy might be a little less expensive, but they probably don't have those certain things on there. And that's okay if the client says, you know what, I just want the bare minimums, the bare bones. I can offer that too. But I don't want people to be at the end, if they have a claim, at the end of the claim, disappointed. So does that kind of make sense, the difference between replacement cost and ACV?
Yes, it does. Yes, it makes a lot of sense. The next question I have is there a difference in cost if you put a metal roof on your house compared to a traditional asphalt roof? Does that save you any money?
Yes, the metal roof is going to save money because most of the time that roof is going to last quite a long time on the metal roof. It's going to last longer than a regular comp roof.
Okay.
But it's important that the client gets what's called metal marring. And so you want to make sure that your clients are asking for that endorsement, the metal marring endorsement. And that just says that the metal will be covered. If they don't have that, then it's covered at ACV, even though it might be a replacement cost type policy. So it's a little confusing. So that's where you want to make sure that your clients are, dealing with the agent that can go over things with them. That metal roof will save money. It makes the replacement costs go up on the house. So if the house is like $200,000, then the metal roof would probably bump it up to like the replacement cost of $210 rather than $200.
Oh, okay.
But even with that bump up, it does save them money to have the metal roof, because basically the insurance company is saying we probably aren't going to have to replace that roof for a really long time.
Okay.
And so metal roofs are becoming a lot more popular than they used to be.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Teresa, for the help today. Appreciate it, and roof coverage. And we'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good one.
Okay.
Thanks.
You too.
Okay.